Ready, 3, 2, 1, start. On July 1st, Prime Minister Imran Khan absented himself from a high level national security briefing to address an even more crucial threat facing Pakistan: food insecurity. Full stop. On some level, it was heartening to see the Prime Minister focusing on a looming national concern. Full stop. While focusing on how to improve agricultural yields, he also raised the challenge of providing food to our large population. Full stop. Disappointingly, however, he did not follow through to talk about population itself, such as the numbers of people without education and paid work, the rapid rate at which people are outstripping natural resources and work opportunities, and urbanization. Full stop. New paragraph. I would like to ask all those who have held the reins of power in this country for the last 20 years a question: why have the links between a large and rapidly growing population and all our present crises, accepting governance, remained unmentioned, unrecognized, and therefore unaddressed? Question mark. There is an obvious link between population growth and per capita availability of both food and water. The latter was highlighted at the Islamabad Security Dialogue and is of critical importance in dealing with climate change. Full stop. Child malnutrition, a national and international community priority, is also linked to inadequate birth spacing. Full stop. We see increased land and housing shortages, displacement, and above all, the lack of jobs, all linked to the numbers of people chasing opportunities which remain static. Full stop. New paragraph. It's simple. Population increases geometrically, and unless supply does the same, demand will outstrip it. Full stop. Pakistan produced excess wheat and other food products in the 1980s and 1990s. Full stop. We could export wheat and were major exporters of basmati rice. Full stop. And now we are importing these staple foods. Full stop. How did we go from relative advantage to the brink? Question mark. Let me simplify. Full stop. Pakistan's current per capita caloric availability is 2300 kilocalories per day. 20 years ago, it was 2400. Full stop. Current figures for Nepal and Bangladesh are 2800 and 2500 respectively. Full stop. Our annual population growth rate is over 2% compared to 1.2% in the region. Full stop.